Hey everybody, thanks for being here wherever you are, because I'm here wherever I am. That's how the world works these days. I'm working on something. You know me, always working on something, and I'm so excited about it. And honestly, I can't wait to tell you, but I know you're probably working on stuff too. There's always a plan in the background, stuff you want to get done around the house. Baking bread, a new hobby. It's a plan to floss, or honestly anything to get you to focus or be distracted, to get you through this pandemic. I know that you are working hard, because this is hard work that we're doing right now. Just doesn't seem like it has an impact, you know? Like you're grinding your gears or spinning your wheels. We're stuck. That doesn't mean we have to get all disappointed about it. It just means that we're in the middle of that process right now. It's okay if it doesn't work out. The plan often doesn't work out. That's not the point of a plan. What I do know, when you get to the other side, when we make it over there, it's all gonna feel a lot easier. It's not gonna be this hard. It's not gonna feel as difficult as it feels in this moment right now. So don't give up, all right? Hang tight, take care, bye.